Bedtime Stories made for you by Diggy and George. The Dog and the Rabbit. Once upon a time in a jungle, there lived a dog and a rabbit. One day, they were sitting under the tree. The dog was telling the rabbit about the new tiger who had come to live in the jungle. The dog told the rabbit, "The tiger is very smart. He catches all the small animals and eats them." The rabbit was scared after listening to the dog. The rabbit said, "Dear friend, I know just one trick to save my life. I need to learn some new tricks." To this, the dog replied, "I know plenty of tricks. I can jump around the bushes. I can run very fast. I can hide under the trees. I can even dig up the sand and bury myself in it. Since I know many tricks, I will definitely save myself from the tiger." The poor rabbit requested the dog to teach a few tricks. He said, "Can you please teach me one of those tricks? I just need to know one. I need to learn more of the tricks." The dog laughed and said, "My tricks are for the intelligent animals. You're not an intelligent animal. Why should I teach you all the tricks?" The rabbit got sad. Suddenly, he saw the tiger was coming towards them. Slowly and slowly, the tiger was approaching them. The rabbit told the dog, "See, the tiger is coming. I'm going to use my trick and climb up the tree. You also save yourself using your tricks, and then we will meet after the tiger is gone." Soon, the rabbit quickly climbed the tree. When the tiger came near the dog started running around here and there. He hid under the portion of the bushes, but the tiger found him. Unfortunately, the tiger got him and pounced at him at once. If the dog would have shared his knowledge with the rabbit, then the rabbit would have somehow saved him. The rabbit had saved his life by climbing the tree, but the dog did not know the trick. So, if they had shared each other's thought, they would have stayed together for their lives.